Hey guys, this is Suhani. If you've spent any time on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, X, you might have heard someone claim that AI is going to replace developers. And I honestly understand why people might think that. Today, I can open Nova, prompt in simple English, and have a working UI or a working database structure ready. The things that used to take hours are done in minutes now. But here's the part most people miss. AI is incredibly good at writing code, but software development was never about just writing the code. Think about it. If a founder comes to you and asks you to build a payment platform, the hard part is not about writing code, but it's deciding what features it should have, whether it solves the real problem or not. AI can write the solutions for you, but it cannot decide what solutions should be there. And that's why I don't think developers are getting replaced. I simply think the role is evolving. The value isn't just about writing code, but it's shifting towards product thinking, system design, decision making, problem solving. The developers getting most out of the AI aren't the ones asking AI to do everything. When I use Nova, the hard part is not about generating application. The hard part is about deciding what application should be built in the first place. AI accelerates the execution, but it doesn't replace the judgment. And we've seen this before. Frameworks did not replace developers. Low-code tools again did not replace developers. They simply made developers more productive. And AI is doing the same thing, just at a much larger scale. So will AI replace developers tomorrow? Some coding tasks? Absolutely. Entry-level work? Probably. But developers as a profession? Absolutely not. Because businesses don't pay developers just to write code. They pay developers to solve business problems. And that is still a very human skill. The future won't belong to the developers who ignore AI. They belong to the developers who know how to work with AI like a teammate. And that is a very different future from what one might think.